Welcome to Happily Ever Disney, where our videos feature Disney attractions, shows, character meet and greets, restaurant reviews, nighttime spectaculars, and the occasional non-Disney family travel. If you like what you see, be sure to click that subscribe button. Hey guys, today we're going to do a video where I go to my local Burlington store to see what kind of Disney finds I can get. I was inspired to do this video by Cammie at Key to Disney. She's recently posted quite a few videos where she gets actual Disney parks merch at the stores, including earbands. So I wanted to go to mine, see what I could find, and I'll let you know what we got. I mean, how adorable is this, right? Let's see. $8.99. These cute Elsa hats. Her braid in it. $3.99. They also have this, look, Walt Disney World official Minnie Mouse ear hat. $5.99. Some puddle jump. 2-pack Minnie Mouse shirts. $13.99. Way cheaper than Disney World. Some cute Disney socks. Now, I actually had a mishap and had to buy socks at Disney once. I was not a happy camper. I think I spent 20 bucks on one pair of socks. These are much cheaper. And check these out. Stitch, whole multi-pack. $3.49. I actually might have to bring these home with me. Here's some more socks. Again, $3.49. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs with Minnie, Mickey. Always great to have extra socks in your Disney bag. More Stitch socks. These actually have Lilo, and there's even more back here. So lots of Stitch socks. These are actually $4.99. Check these out. It's the redhead and the dog from Pirates of the Caribbean. It's an actual Walt Disney World parks item. $2.99. Another 2-pack of shirts, again $13.99 for both of them. They also have this one as well. And they are very soft and comfy. I would totally get these away. These are not officially Disney related, but I mean, how stinking adorable is that? Fit for any princess. Look at the cute itty bitty Minnie Mouse shoes, y'all. Let's see. They are $6.99. Okay, let's get real. I know this is weird, but you totally need one of these if you're taking a toddler to Disney so they can sit on the potties in the hotel rooms. Okay, so these are $9.99. Not bad. Some little Mickey Mouse shoes. They're $14.99. If you're like me and you like to buy Disney related presents so that you can have them for the trip instead of buying stuff at Disney, great prices. $8.99. Little nail polishes. There's a little Frozen nail polish set. Not exactly Disney friendly, but you know, you have it for at home. They've got a few things here and there. Cute little Minnie Mouse bag. Let's see what else we can find. I mean, how cool is that? And for the Star Wars fan, oh my gosh, you guys, look at this Chewbacca. Chewbacca's had a bit of a rough day. He's feeling it. It's $9.99. This is the toy you buy if you're the aunt or grandma for the kid that doesn't live with you. We got these cute Minnie Mouse pillows. They're $8.99. You guys, check this out. It's a dog harness. How cool is that? Too big for my dog though. $6.99. Cute little Mickey water tumbler. $3.99. Some art and decor. I think this is my favorite. $14.99. I'd put that in my house. Cute little hair elastic. Turns your hair into an Elsa braid. $3.99. Some headbands. Lip gloss. Some Frozen 2 books. They got a couple of these. $7.99. Check out this popcorn. $2.99. Lots of snacks for your trip. Okay, so went to my local Burlington, found a ton of Disney items. I was actually really impressed. As you saw in the video, I took video of quite a lot of the stuff. There was a lot of stuff I actually didn't video just because I didn't want it to be a million years long. In the end, I got some Stitch socks, 5 pairs. They were only $3.73 after tax, and they're nice and soft and comfy. And my daughter's seen them, and she's already said she's stealing half of them. So we'll see how that goes. I didn't find any ear hats or ear bands, you know, the headbands, the mini ears with the bows. So I was a little disappointed, but our store's new. They didn't have a whole lot of their shelves filled yet. So I'm hoping that if I keep going back, I'll find some. Worst case, even if they don't have it, I'll totally be back. They had so many good deals. I plan on doing most of my Christmas shopping there this year. So if you have a Burlington near you, I highly suggest you check it out. Thanks.